Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to connect your T900 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to connect your T900 Smartwatch to your smartphone. Alright guys, so all we just have to do is we're going to find the QR code of our T900 Smartwatch. Okay, so we're going to tap on this one and we're going to get our phone and scan the QR code. Okay, so now let's open in Chrome. Okay, as you can see guys, there is a reminder here. The side ahead contains harmful programs, so let's just tap on details and we're going to tap this one. If you understand the risk to your security, you may visit this site, so let's just tap on that one. Okay, and we're going to download M2 Wear. Okay, so I actually downloaded M2 Wear before, so this kind of application guys, so let's open that one. Okay, and if you are notified to turn on the Bluetooth and just click on allow and also the location. Okay guys, so let's tap on search device. So it is already scanning our T900 smartwatch. So let's tap on T900 guys because it has scanned it already. So it says they're connecting. Are you sure to bind the device? Tap OK. Tap pair. Okay, allow. Alright, so now guys, for us to make sure if the watch is already connected, so let's tap on find device. Okay, so based on that one guys, we can know that the watch is already connected guys. Okay, so it's just very easy guys. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.